Hey everyone. So I just wanted to show you what we like to use to update our hardware. So these are pulls that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and when I need to customize them to fit my piece or the space or whatever it is that I'm working on, I love these metallic spray paints from Rust-Oleum. This particular color is the aged copper, and it's going to look stunning against this Denali vanity that Michelle and I painted. And of course, if you saw our tutorial from Monday, we used a nifty grain tool to create this wood grain looking top. So I'm going to go through that process as well in another video, but I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way to update that hardware, and you can customize it however you want with these metallic paints. They're fantastic.